Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Python 101 and please subscribe. Okay. Um yeah, let's do this. So, we're still on our advanced lectures and we're doing advanced lists this time. So, in this series of lectures, we will be diving a little bit deeper into all the methods that is available in list object, but that's not all. So, yeah, these aren't really official advanced features, so just make sure you know what they're basically for and stuff like that. And if you can memorize all of them. Oh, by the way, this lists will be divided into two parts because it's so long. And yeah, let's get started into the fun stuff. All right, append. I'm pretty sure you guys know what append is. I've used it in a lot of things. Well, we've used it in a lot of things. So I'm not sure if you've been following along. So it basically just you use dot append and then you add close open end parentheses in order to add something into the end of a list. So my Jupyter notebook is unreliably slow. Okay, there we go. How about I share my full screen? There we go. So, oh, and by the way, good news. I just had my first live Python class and went pretty well. 4 people joined. And oh, by the way, you guys don't know it's free. If you think I did a good job, support me on Patreon so I can buy myself a better headset because this old crap is going to the junkyard. Okay, I'm kidding. I'm not gonna throw it, but still, I'm gonna throw it away if I. Anyway, just please support me. I'm trying my best here. All right, I already created it. Untitled 21, eh? Gonna create a list once. So yeah, I recorded the meeting and it was pretty well, but I can't really leak out the faces because that would be invading privacy. So I'm gonna have to use Adobe Premiere Pro to cover up the faces, blah blah. It takes so long. So yeah, that's why I still haven't uploaded it yet. Oh, and why should you do Patreon? That's because you get 24/7 help. If you ask a question on YouTube, it might take a long time. Anyway, I talk too much. Let's make a list. All right, so here what we're gonna do is list one dot append 4. So I'm pretty sure you guys know what this is. List 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's pretty simple. And now let's talk about count. So as we discussed during this methods lectures, but here it is again, count. So we did this with the several other ones, and count can be used with various things, not just, let me show you. So list one dot count. So if you want to try to count 2, there's 1, 2 because here there's only 1. And that's pretty useful because if you create a list, equals x, and then you for num in range 1 to let's say 23, and you print the, hold on, let me get my keyboard straight. It's and you print, oh wait, no, and you do, oh wait, no, the list is a bad name. List 2. List2.append. Let's see, num to the power of 2, and you print list2. And you do x equals 1, and you get 1. Honestly, I don't think you even need this. You just take this. Here you go. So that's just a really simple way to get the squares of these numbers, and that's where append is. But as you can see, my previous example, if x equals 1 and you put x in there and you're too lazy to count how many ones are in there, then you just list2.count 2. I mean, there's no 2, but I meant 1. So there's 2 ones. All right, so that's pretty simple. All right, so now let's talk about extend. Oh, it's downloaded. Let me just close this. All right, so extend. Many people have a hard time finding the difference between extend and append. So append just adds a whole object at the end of a list, but extend, it extends the list by appending elements from the iterable. See how extend appends each element from the past in list? That's kind of like the key difference. If you don't understand, which I'm pretty sure you guys don't understand because let me just show you. So we're gonna create x equals list 1, 2, 3. X dot append. I'm gonna show you I'm just gonna show you the difference. So and you can add 4, 5, and then here you just print x. You get this. But extend, really, it just, if it doesn't just add the thing, it makes the thing part of a list. You know, it doesn't just add a list inside, it takes out the list and adds it into the list. So 2 become 1. So that's really the main difference. And so index, I'm pretty sure you guys know how to use index. So you just use brackets and you put the number inside that you want to get. And that's pretty much how you use index. So let me show you. List 1 is okay. So if we want to place something at the second index, this is what you would do. So list 1 dot insert 2. So this is the second. Well, I wouldn't say that's the second, but if you want the actual second, you have to do 1, because remember, lists lists, tuples, blah blah blah, they always start at 0. So it's 0, 1, 2. So if you want actually the second, you're gonna have to put 1. Excuse me. And then here you put I is you, or something like that. So now really, if you do list 1, you see 1, this is the second item, 2, 3, 4. That's really basic. All right, next, pop. So I think you guys have seen pop, but I don't use it a lot, so you guys probably don't see pop as much. So it kind of just like takes off. It just pops off the last element of a list. But it's a bit different than just popping it off. So I'm gonna call it element equals list one dot pop one. So and you do list one, you just take off this. So remember, list one I used here, and this is list one. Well, hold on. Now this is the old list one. And now you can see if I use that, it just pops off the thing that's on the first index. And then if you do element, if you call element, it just shows this. So that's that. All right, the last thing we're gonna learn about today is remove. So the remove function method removes the first occurrence of a value. So list one. All right, now I'm gonna remove list one dot remove. And if I do list one, I just take out the two. But if I do list 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and I do list 1, 2, 3, 4 dot remove. Let's see which one repeats. 4. It and list 1, 2, 3, 4. I get 1, 2, 3, 5, 4. So it only removes the first instance of the value, and not the second one. And so that might be helpful, that might not be helpful. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this lesson. Thank you for attending my lecture, and I have something very important actually. So that's it for that. So about Patreon, you type in patreon.com. So I recently made this account, and if you guys think I'm doing a good job, just you can support me here. So you could just like follow me, or you could give me like $1 or $2 per month or something. And so here you see I just started posting, and posting takes a long time. And some of the recovered missing videos from YouTube, they're on WeChat, so you can watch them from WeChat if you guys follow me on WeChat, because I accidentally deleted them on my computer. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Guys, I'm so sorry. Anyway, here all you have to do is find a creator, type Theechomania. It's always Theechomania. And here I am. So, who the heck is Techmania? Here I am with the I. Oh, this guy isn't even English. Okay, so I'm not gonna talk about that. He's not even English. So if you guys aren't subscribed to me already on YouTube, and I know a lot of you guys watching this don't have a YouTube account, so you guys can just create a YouTube account, search up how to create a YouTube account, or really just create an account. So you just type Theechomania. You guys should see I'm here with 51 subscribers, which is not a lot. And there's supposed to be a red button because this is me. I'm not allowed to subscribe to myself. So basically just click this button, and if it says you need to create an account, just create an account. You have nothing to lose. And here I post all the videos. This is the one I posted 2 days ago. And yeah, so I hope you guys like this, and please support me so I can make more videos like this. Anyway, thank you. Have a good day. Bye.